So again, walking around the house here, had some more food for thought here. People ask all the time, what do I do this for? I do this for helping people out, giving people the opportunity to own a home or to rent a home or to have a fresh start or a new start. I was on the phone last night doing a consult with a young kid from Japan who's coming here from for the military, and he asked me, hey, what's the best options? What do we have for you for service members? And I think for me is to give back of the Homes for Heroes. If you don't know what that is, I give back 25% of my commission to heroes and all sorts of heroes. So hit me up, ask me a little bit more information, and I'll gladly give you what you need. Thanks.